Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a couple of sweet cherries to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw these sweet cherries, let's first start by drawing the one on the left. So I'm going to come right here and just give a little curve, just so it's the center of our cherry. And then I'm going to go up slightly and then down. So they're just kind of like apples, right? So we have a little dip right here, and then we're just going to come out nice and wide for this one. So then I'm just going to go ahead and round it off to create my cherry. So it's whatever shape cherry you want to create, don't worry about it. Just have fun with this. So just nice and round, plump. Now to draw our next cherry, I'm going to come about right here, and I want to leave a little gap so they can be holding hands. So this cherry I'm going to make a little bit thinner, only because she's kind of facing this cherry right here. So I'll come about in the same area, same height, so say about right here. Once again, give myself a curve, and we're going to go up slightly and bring it down right next to this one, round it off. And once again, same thing. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same level as the other side. That's the other cherry. And connect. There. So like I said, this was just a slightly thinner than this one. Okay, from there, let's come back in here, and I'm just going to add a little curve right here, right underneath our dip. Oh, well, let's work on this one first then. Before I go back and forth. Okay, now that we have that in, I'm going to draw in some eyes. So about right here, I'll start with a circle. And since I'm drawing big enough, I'll make them draw so cute eyes. But if you're at home and you're drawing pretty small, you can just add one little highlight and shade everything else in. Okay, so I'm going to put this other eye at an angle. So it's not right across. Because this cherry is looking at this cherry, right? Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And notice I'm following the angle for that curve. And I'll just shade everything else up in here, in. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then, of course, we're going to add a happy smile. So say about right here, I'll just draw a curve right in between. Cap it off. Nice big cap right there. Maybe a smaller one here. And then we're just going to draw kind of like a U right underneath. And come back in here with a tongue. And then just shade everything else in. There, nice and happy, right? Okay, and then this one right here, let's do the same thing. We're going to go and draw a curve right here, right underneath that dip. And for this one, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve and thicken it up. So come right across about right here and do the same thing. And then right in this area, let's have her lips pucker. So I'm just going to kind of like draw these, kind of like a 3, but backwards. Nice puckered lips. There. So silly, right? And then above each eye, let's just draw a soft curve above each eye. Then from there, let's have them holding hands. So let's come about right here and here. And come connect them, and then in the center I'm just going to thicken it up right there. And then let's see, the other hand would be about right here, so let's come about here and just going to draw a curve, and the hand's just hanging out, so thicken the end. And same thing over here, so the other hand would be about right here and thicken it up. There. Okay, now to spruce up the top. So I'm going to, let's say my center about right here. I'll go up about in this area. I just give myself a point in between the cherries. And from there, I'm going to draw the stem. So it's going to come right back into the center. So same thing here. So we just want to aim to put the stem right in the center. There. I'll just go ahead and thicken this up. And off a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to the top, and I'm going to come right here and just draw the end of our stem and thicken it up. So I'm just going to kind of draw this little curve and shade this in so it looks like they're connected. It's like a wishbone, right? A chicken wishbone. And then from there, let's add some leaves. So I'm going to come right here and pop out these cute leaves, just round it off and simplify. I thought it'd be a lot cuter to do it this way, instead of trying to make it look realistic. And one more. So this time I'm just going to make it bigger just to change it up. And right back in and the center. And of course, let's add a big heart right here. For these two cute little sweet cherries. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this drawing and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.